additional thing in the sequential circuit. As well as in the box, you have logic circuit or all logic gates. Along with that, you have a storage element also. Okay, that is additional part in the sequential circuit. I have told you that in the combinational circuit, we have in the combinational circuit, we are using only logic gates. And if I have to give you example, I have told you we have multiplier, we have multiplexer, we have adder, full adder, subtractor. So these are the combinational circuits, or these are the examples of combinational circuits. So today we'll be talking about few examples. Today we'll be talking about the few examples. So let's start. I will be sharing the screen now. Just see that whether are you able to see the screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please pay attention now. We will be starting with the example. I have told you the example of combinational circuit. Let me revise this. So as far as the combinational circuits are concerned, we have adder, we have multiplexer, we have multiplier, decoder, encoder, comparator, and subtractor. So we will be starting with the first example, that is adder. So as the name suggests, adder means what? Adder is nothing but where we are going to add 2 bits, 2 numbers. Okay. Now adder जैसा है, or see the last example, that is subtractor. Now here subtractor also means what? If you want to subtract 2 numbers. So I should make one circuit which will be able to give me the addition of 2 bit numbers, as well as I should be able to design a circuit which will be giving me the difference of 2 numbers. If it is a difference of 2 numbers, it is called as a subtractor. If it is a addition of 2 numbers, it is called as an adder. Okay, so we'll be starting with the first example, that is adder. So you can write down in your notebook the first one, that is adder. Okay, the first one is adder. So when you talk about the adder, whenever you talk about the adder, it is the essential part of your CPU. This is just to give a brief introduction about the adder. Every CPU, that is central processing unit, will have the adder, because the CPU is responsible for carrying out the arithmetic and logical functions. So when you talk about the arithmetic function, it is nothing but it is addition, it is subtraction, it is multiplication, and it is division. So the main arithmetic operation is the adder, is the addition. Okay. Now here we have 2 types of adder. One is called as a half adder and the other one is called as a full adder. Okay. Now the basic difference between the half and full adder is that your half adder performs the addition of 2 bits and your full adder performs the addition of 3 bits. Now you will be able to understand what do you mean by the addition of 2 bits and what is the addition of 3 bits. For just time being, you just understand in this we are going to add 2 bits, and in full adder we are going to add 3 bits. So the catchy word is here 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So when you talk about 2 bits addition, you will go with half adder. When you are talking about 3 bit of addition, you will go with full adder. Okay, so that is the main difference. अभी हाफ एडर के बाद में वो ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखा है? इग्नोर द कैरी इन बिट, इग्नोर द कैरी इन बिट. अब ये भी यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई डू आई हैव टू इग्नोर कैरी इन बिट इन हाफ एडर, and in the full adder we are not going to ignore the carry in bit. Okay, in the full adder we are not going to ignore the carry in bit. So this becomes the second difference between the half adder and full adder. So what is the second difference? In your half adder we are going to ignore carry in bit. Now we are going to understand what is carry in bit, but for time being you just try to understand the second difference, that in half adder we are going to ignore the carry in bit, and in full adder we have to consider the carry in bit. So we are going to go with the first one, that is half adder. I want everyone to draw this half adder. So when you talk about the half adder, whenever you talk about the half adder, so in this half adder, if you see properly, we have already seen the addition of 2 bits. For example, I'm going to draw here for you. If I'm having A and B as input, if you talk about the A and B as the input, then we have something called as a sum, and something, one more column will be there, that will be called as a carry. If I'm having two bits which has to be added, it can be 0 added with 0, it can be 0 added with 1, it can be 1 added with 0, or it can be 1 added with 1. Now in every case, we will be getting sum and we will be getting carry. Whenever you add 0 plus 0, the sum is 0, carry is 0. Whenever you add 0 plus 1, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. Whenever you add 1 plus 0, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. And in the last case, when you add 1 plus 1, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Okay. Now, this is a truth table for the addition of 2 bits. Which are the 2 bits? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. Now, if this is the truth table I have given you, and if I ask you to get me the the logic or the logic diagram, digital logic diagram, then this logic diagram is this. The logic diagram is this. And if you ask me, how do you get this diagram? How do you get this diagram? This diagram we have got, already मैंने आपको बताया था, whenever you have to implement by using the hardware, the first important thing is that you should have the K-map. You should have the K-map. Now in front of you, you have the truth table. From the truth table, you will be able to get the K-map. And from the K-map, you are going to get the equation. And from that equation, you are going to know what logic gate I have to use. For example, if I'm using the column of sum, then you see the K-map. Now I will be getting the equation for the sum. And if I want to get the equation for the sum, I have to use the truth table. Okay. Now the truth table is with the 2 variables. So in this you have A and you have B. Only 2 variables are there. So this is a 2 variable K-map. This is a 2 variable K-map. So when this is a 2 variable K-map, you know how many cells will be there? Only 4 cells. Only 4 cells will be there. Okay. So cell 0, cell 1, cell 2, and cell 3. Only 4 cells will be there. Now we have to put up the numbers. So if this is the K-map, now this is a K-map for sum. So this is a K-map for sum. Now sum का जो column है, in that column you see 0, 1, 1, 0. So on the 0th cell you put 0. On first cell put 1. On second cell put 1. And for the third cell put 0. So this is the case. So this is a truth table. Sorry, this is a K-map. So this is a K-map of 2 variable A and B, and this K-map will be giving you the equation for sum, because I have used the column of sum. Okay. Now see the equation. मैं directly लिखता हूँ equation now. Sum is equals to I have this one, I have this one. You tell me, can we have a pair of this 1, 1? Answer. Can we
No,
have?
sir. Diagonal.
No. Diagonal hai, so we cannot have. And even these 1, 1 are not adjacent. Yes, they are diagonally adjacent with each other, but we cannot make a pair. So pair is not possible. It will be only single. So for this one, can you give me the term? In terms of AB? So this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. So for this one, give me the term.
A B complement.
A
B bar.
A bar.
A B bar.
A bar B. ये देखो ना, ये 1 के लिए बोल रहा हूं मैं.
Yes sir, A bar B.
A bar B plus. For this one, tell me the term.
B bar A.
Yes, B bar A. Okay, B bar A. So this, ये आपने कहाँ पे देखा? A bar B plus B bar A, ये कहाँ पे देखा आपने? कौन सा इक्वेशन है? Yes, This is the equation of XOR. This is the equation of XOR. This is the equation of XOR. And can you see the XOR? Can you see the logic gate XOR? ये XOR को आप दो इनपुट दे दो, A और B, और उसका आउटपुट ले लो, आपको आउटपुट में सम ही आने वाला है, और ये ट्रूथ टेबल फॉलो करेगा सम. A B 0 0 दे दो, आउटपुट में 0 आएगा. 0 1 दे दो, आउटपुट में 1 आएगा. 1 0 दे दो, आउटपुट में 1 आएगा. 1 1 दे दो, आउटपुट में 0 आएगा. So we have got the equation of sum A bar B plus B bar A, which is nothing but XOR equation. So directly I have implemented XOR gate. Directly I have implemented XOR gate. Similarly, I want the equation for carry. I want the equation for carry. Use the column of carry. It is a two variable. It is AB. Okay. So put up the values. 0th cell 0. First cell 0. Second cell 0. Third cell 1. Okay. So this is a K map for carry. This is a K map for carry. This is a K map for carry. Now only one is there. Tell me the term for this. Tell me the term for this. So it will be carry is equals to. Carry is equals to. Yes, it will be 0 1 0 1. It will be AB. Yes or no? It is AB. A dot B.
Yes, sir.
So tell me AB is what? Which logic gate I have to use?
And
And. Can you see your AND gate? Can you see your AND gate? So A you take B, you apply the AND gate, you will get the output as a carry. 0 0 दो carry 0 मिलेगा. 0 1 दो carry 0 मिलेगा. 1 0 दो carry 0 मिलेगा. 1 1 दो carry 1 मिलेगा. So ultimately this is the logic diagram. So can I say this is my combinational circuit? Only I have logic gates. There is no storage element. There is no storage element. Can I say this is a combinational logic circuit? Yes. Why? Because your output depends upon the input A and B. Your output depends upon the input A and B. और sequential का जो ये था definition कि your output depends upon the present input as well as the past input. यहाँ पे past की बात ही नहीं आती है. We have a simple A and B as input. आप जो दोगे वो हिसाब से आपको sum मिलेगा, आपको carry मिलेगा. Okay, so this is the half adder. If you have a question, please ask me. Any question related with this? Any question related with this? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so shall I proceed? Now this is called as a half adder. Now once you add the full adder, तो आपको actually फिर clear समझ में आएगा कि दोनों में difference क्या है. So we will be seeing the full adder now. See the full adder. अभी full adder में क्या है? I want everyone to pay attention. इसको मैं जरा सा enlarge करता हूँ. Yes. See here now. See here now. There are two operands A and B. A and B. Okay. ये दो ऑपरेंट है A and B. A and B. मुझे A और B ऑपरेंट दिया है, उनको मुझे ऐड करना है. While adding, I am getting sum and I am getting carry. Okay. So if operand A is given as 0 1 0 0 and operand B is given as 0 1 1 0 और दोनों को ऐड करना है, तो see here we will be starting with the LSB. 0 plus 0 gives you 0. There is carry? No, there is no carry. तो यहाँ पे carry 0 लिखा है और initially भी इन्होंने 0 लिखा है, so there is no harm. Okay. Then 0 plus 1, sum is 1. There is carry generated? No. So carry is 0. Now here you see 1 plus 1. You know the sum is 0. But the carry is generated. So can you see the carry is written here? Now this carry plus 0 is 1. And with this 0, it is also 1. So 1 is there. The carry generated will be 0. So the final sum is 1 0 1 0. And the carry which will be generated is 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0. Okay, now see here, if you see properly now, यही चीज जो है अगर now this is the simple example. Now if you take the different possibilities, okay, we will see the possibilities here. Now see here, all of you see here, when 0 plus 0 is added, you have sum as 0 and carry as 0. When 0 1 is added, you have the sum as 0 and the carry as 0. When 1 0 is added, sum is 0, carry is 0. When 1 1 is added, sum is 0, carry is 1. When 0 0 is added, the same thing is there, 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, and 1 1. Now if you see properly, in this case, suppose there is a carry generated from the previous addition. पहले जो ऐड किया है उसका अगर कैरी जनरेट हुआ है उसको हम बोलेंगे कैरी इन, क्योंकि वो कैरी इन नेक्स्ट बिट पे की तरफ जाता है. सपोज कैरी जनरेट हुआ है 1 पहले सम करने के बाद, then that carry will be added. So don't you think that I have to add 3 bits? So in half adder, addition of 3 bits was not possible. That is why full adder has been generated, so that I should be able to add 1 plus 1 plus 1. हाफ एडर में ये प्रोविजन नहीं था. ओके, हाफ एडर में प्रोविजन नहीं था. Again, take the example. If you have to add 1 0, but the carry is generated from the previous addition, then here also you have to add 1 1 0. Now if you are adding 1 1 0, okay, if you are adding 1 1 0, then the sum is generated and the carry will be generated. Now suppose this carry is carry forwarded here. Okay, so वो scenario case है. See here now, the scenario case है, if you are adding 1 plus 1, ये पिछले से आया है. If you are adding 1 plus 1 and there is addition of 1 carry which has come from the previous addition, then 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and the carry will be generated. So this carry is taken forwarded. Then suppose there is addition of 1 and 0, but carry is generated from the previous addition. So 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, but the carry is generated यहाँ पे. Then this carry is carry forwarded. Then suppose there is 0 plus 1. Again, if you have to add, so there is addition of 3 bits, then the sum is 0 and carry generated. This carry will be carry forwarded. Again, 1 plus, suppose there is 0 plus 0, then 1 plus 0 plus 0, you will have 1. There is no carry generated, but this carry will be taken forward. Suppose if you have 1 plus 1, then if you add the 0 plus 1 plus 1, then again sum is 0, carry generated. And suppose this goes on. So here what I have to tell you, that in all the cases, if the problem is of addition of 3 bit, then I cannot take the help of half adder. I have to go with full adder. Okay, so if I have to go with full adder, see here now, the table is different now here the table is different. Now what is the difference? See here, you will be able to understand. Now here I have to consider what? I have to consider 3 variables. A और B तो हम पहले भी हाफ एडर में लिया था, लेकिन मुझे आप और एक देना पड़ेगा, that is called as carry in. I have to consider carry in. तो 0 plus 0 मुझे करना है, लेकिन प्रीवियस अगर कैरी 0 है तो 0 plus 0 plus 0, then you will have sum as 0 and there is 1 carry generated, that is 0. But this carry in is different from this CI plus 1. This CI is the carry which is taken from the previous sum, and this CI plus 1 is the carry generated after I do the addition of 0 plus 0 plus 0. So CI and CI plus 1 is different. So if I'm using these 3 variables, these are the 8 possibilities. Starting from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. So if these are the possibilities, then see here, 0 0 0, if you add 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 1. And the last 1 plus 1 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Similarly, in short, can I make the full adder? Can I show you the full adder in this manner? अब ये full adder में देखो क्या है? Full adder में देखो क्या है? There is a block which is called as a full adder. Inputs are this AI, BI, CI. So can you see AI, BI, and CI? Then what is the output? Output is SI. SI stands for sum, and CI plus 1 is the carry. So this is the the small block just to show you the full adder. But we are interested in the combinational logic diagram. We are interested in the logic circuit or logic gates. कौन से लॉजिक गेट्स है जो मुझे ये SI देंगे और मुझे ये CI plus 1 देंगे. So for that we have to see the first we have to draw the K map. जैसे हमने किया था हाफ एडर के लिए K map, वैसे यहाँ पे भी हमको वही करना है. यहाँ पे कितने K map बनेंगे? 2 बनेंगे. एक K map रहेगा SI के लिए, दूसरा K map रहेगा CI plus 1 के लिए. SI का जो K map रहेगा वो मुझे इक्वेशन देगा SI के फॉर्म में, और दूसरा जो K map रहेगा वो मुझे इक्वेशन देगा CI plus 1 के फॉर्म में. कैन एनी वन ऑफ यू टेल मी SI और CI plus 1 का K map कितने वेरिएबल का रहेगा?
3.
यस, 3 वेरिएबल. वैसे CI का भी 3 वेरिएबल करेंगे. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट थिंग, because ultimately I am interested to know the logic diagram. Can you see here now? K map, please do by yourself. Okay, K map you do by yourself. You should end up with the equation as SI is equals to AI XOR BI XOR CI. You should end up with equation of CI plus 1 is equals to AI BI dash CI plus AI dash BI CI plus AI BI. तो अगर मेरे पास इक्वेशन है, I can implement it using the logic gate. Can you see the logic gate? अगर SI की बात करता हूँ, ये है मेरा SI, ये है मेरा SI. You have AI XOR BI XOR CI. Okay, अभी ये मेरा A है, ये मेरा B है, and there is CI. So this carry in is CI. CI का मतलब होता है carry in, जो previous से आया है. ये AI is nothing but this A is nothing but AI. This B is BI. So यहाँ पे जो आउटपुट आएगा वो रहेगा AI XOR BI. वो फिर यहाँ पे हमको देना है, एक इनपुट वो रहेगा, दूसरे इनपुट CI करेंगे, तो आउटपुट में आपको आएगा ये इक्वेशन. आपको आउटपुट में आएगा ये इक्वेशन, और CI का इक्वेशन है ये वाला. So you can cross check. You require AND gate. You require 2 AND gates. You require 2 AND gates. If you see properly, you require 2 AND gates. One more important thing I have need to tell you. Here we have BI. Okay. Yes, you please cross check the equation जो आया है. You have to do the K mapping of SI and CI plus 1 and see that whether the equation you have got is right or wrong, and then you can put up in the form of circuit diagram, that is using the logic gates, by using the logic gates. Any question in this? Do you have any question in this? Any question, any doubt? So I want you to do all of you to cross check the equation along with the truth table and implement in the logic diagram. Implement in the logic diagram. Okay. So I think we will stop for today. So today we have just taken the half adder, full adder, and the the truth table. From the truth table, we have derived the equation by using the K map. And once we got the equation of by using the K map, then we have implemented in the logic diagram, that is circuit diagram. And we have seen that this is nothing but the combinational circuit, जहाँ पे सिर्फ लॉजिक गेट्स है, आपका आउटपुट सम है, आपका आउटपुट कैरी आउट है, और आपके इनपुट्स ए बी और सी इन है. आपके सम और आपका कैरी आउट डिपेंड होता है ए बी और कैरी इन पे. So this is a purely combinational circuit. Okay. So the rest of the thing we will see in the next lecture. Manpreet, you can just take the attendance, those who are present. पूरे रोल नंबर कॉल मत करो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. और कॉलेज में 2 आए, उनका भी नाम है ना अटेंडेंस में डालो. क्या रोल नंबर बता दोनों का? 10 और 51 दोनों का डालो, वो भी कॉलेज में आए. 10 or 51.
Okay, sir.
Then you can just forward me the WhatsApp message. Don't leave, let her take the attendance first. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please ask.